Is up, guys? My name is Chris and welcome back to some more Control. Is there a hand in that toilet? Ugh. Let's get into this. Guys, there's a hand in that toilet.
That's all 5 samples.
Ugh.
I should get these back to Underhill.
Well, I've just been playing Hi-Fi West, guys, so I need memory controls very quickly. I need to go up there. Alright. There you go. Basically, they're saying controls, aren't they? Basically. Sort of, anyway. Why can't I get up there? Oh, God. Except, Hi-Fi Was is a bit more, again, that lets you make mistakes. This game, you can't make mistakes. You make mistakes, you get punished.
You look like a woman with mold for me.
Ugh. Don't say that.
I found all 5, but I kind of wanted to eat them.
The mold has that effect on some people. Likely due to the fact it's not actually mold or even of this dimension. I suspect it is the result of 2 incompatible molecular structures, one dominant, coming into contact. I call it mold or fungus because it's closer in appearance and behavior than anything else we know. Except perhaps bacteria.
She reminds me of my old biology teacher.
Did you happen to meet any more members of my ranger detail?
I didn't see any rangers. Just walking mold people. Unless...
Yes. If you found mold people, you found my rangers. I refer to the creatures as hosts. They, like other unwary agents, succumbed to the appetite. But that's nothing for you to worry about. The pill I'm about to make with these samples will make the lower level perfectly safe to traverse. It has the added benefit of immunizing you against the pit's toxic spores. Now leave me to it.
Dad, give time. Oh, I'm gonna give it time.
I need to get going.
Try not to transport any spores outside the infected areas.
Okay.
My
Are we
family had
finished
black
then?
mold once. Bleach did the trick. Has Underhill tried bleach?
How do I go back to doing the main levels then now? If I can't go up here... There's obviously a way...
We don't want to have to come save you. Seriously.
Huh!
What do you require?
A way out of it. But I remember where that is now, so it's fine. You remember where that is? It's up here. Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why? Right, where is it? I don't know where it is, mate. We're going down there. I haven't got the... Yeah. What is it that hurts me down here? Is it that? Uh-oh. 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 Oh, run away. Run away. Pardon me, man. I need a way out of here. So... I need to go, I believe... I'll take that. There's nothing there. Imagine, oh yeah, that's a puppet thing, wasn't it? Ugh. I hate puppets. So much, but I hate puppets. Have I done a 360? Don't know if I have or not. I hope not. I need to get... Don't think I have, so that's good news. Or have I? Yeah, I gotta go over there. I came from up there. Is the fast travel point up here? Yes. Right now, no, one button. Wrong button. Let's go to my brother's keeper now. Now I need you to get Oh, it's going to be a tough one, mate. It's going to be a tough one. We can do this. We can do it. I think. I think. It's not in there. What was it in there I got to go to? Nope. Nope. Okay, I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. I believe I gotta cleanse this place. Okay. How? Mate, I played this game yesterday. Have I? Oh, have I forgotten what to do? 4th floor. Now I remember. Now I remember. It's gonna be hard. This is going to be a hard one. Alright. I hate elevators. I've hated those ever since I was a kid. So I got trapped in one when I was a kid. That really sucked.
Hello? Is anyone there?
What are you doing in there?
Oh, thank God. Look, someone has to watch this object at all times, or it deviates. My shift replacement never showed up. Can you help me?
Yeah, sure. How?
I can't. I'm sorry. There's an emergency. I'll come back. I promise.
Okay, just don't forget. I can't stare at this thing much longer.
Bridge duty. After Dylan's been found, I forgot to. I gotta find Dylan first, have I? Of course I had that right there. Oh, your ma. I remember what I gotta do now. It's that annoying big thing was that I had to kill. So I failed miserably at. And I mean miserably. Eh? The twisted place. Bow, 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 bow. It's annoying that he can't double jump, but I mean, no, it's just annoying. Look, we have all these supernatural powers, and that we can't double jump. Here we go, mate. Here we go. I need to kill that thing right there. Right now, I wonder, guys, the best way to do that is to literally kill all his friends before killing him. Oh! Here's the issue, I can't see his friends. Hoop! Hey, have a machine gun now! Oh, an assault rifle. Same thing. Hoop! Get. There's the sodding. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, that's what I have to do. What? What? Hoop. Come on. And you as well. Come on, 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 come on. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I might help me out a little bit. Ah! Good health. Woo! Health over there. Get the health. Duck. I think it's just good for my men. Where the sodding hell did you come from? Okay. Oh my word. I meant to actually get you onto my team. And you. Oh well. Woo! It blows down walls, mate! How am I meant to compete against something that can kill everything in a heartbeat? Oh! Die! Oh my god. Get the health. Get the health to somewhere. Grab all of that health, please. Thank you very much. Get in here now. Okay, I have an idea. Woo. I failed miserably. Amazing. Run away. Run away. Get that health. Thank you for that. Woo. Oh god, I'm getting near me. I do not want him anywhere near me, mate. Flipping out. I think I might actually do this, you know. Ah, never serious if I won't, for God's sakes. Oh, did I see one next to me? I wonder how big things to hit him with, but no. Go.
That thing was Salvador, the head of security. His team didn't stand a chance against this. No one here does.
Oh, mate, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Okay, the TV. Another object of power going nuts.
Oh, mate, that's made my day. Oh, that's made my day. Pardon me. No. Good. Oh, I can fly. I believe I can fly. Oh no. Not. Oh. Okay, so I can't fly permanently. Huh? So I fly over this. Oh! Right, let go. I don't fall. Huh! Ha! Have it! Oh. Yes! Run away, run away, run away. Run away. Have it. Oh, same for you. Get this. We can now fly, boys. We can now fly.
Okay, dealt with the TV. Now I can find Dylan.
Where do I go? Where do I go now? Oh! That's so cool I can fly though. Oh, I can use all my powers while flying as well. Oh no. Oh no. Hoop. Right, screw you, mate. Come here. Ah, no, don't fall. Alright. Stuff it. Right. Don't know where I go now. Maybe if I go back to the actual level perhaps. Oh, yeah. Alright. Give me some help, please. That'd be lovely. You're dead. Who the hell's snapping at me? You are. Okay, so I got my snapper rifle as well, have I now? Good. Good. What I needed, man. What I needed. What the sod is that? Is that a swan? Why is there a swan here? Okay. Don't know what that is either. You go P6. Nope, that's his name. P6 cell. Oh.
Dylan.
Oh, Dylan. Oh god. This ain't good. But man, you've literally killed everyone in here.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Jesse.
Is that on this floor? Nope. Then I do not care.
Are you there, Jesse?
Emily? He's gone. Dylan isn't here. He might be nearby. Or maybe the hiss got to him. I don't know.
Jesse, listen. Dylan's here. With us. He just walked in. He says he is giving himself up. He's been affected by the hiss, but he is different than the others. We must isolate him.
I'm on my way.
Yeah.
We need to get back.
Oh, yes I do. The face of the enemy. Am I near the end game? Can't be. I mean, probably am, but I can't be. Dude, look at the mess that he made here. Vessel. Flipping hell. Sir, he just tore this place apart, didn't he? Hey, god damn, mate. I believe I should go and talk to that. Ow. Keep doing that. It's B. Okay, that's why I keep on getting a button. Keep on forgetting a button. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out now. I believe he was on this floor. think. Yeah. Believe he wasn't there. He was here.
Keep your eyes open.
Hey, what can I do?
Oh, you're back. Oh, thank you, thank you. If I look away, I don't know what this thing will do. You have to get me out of here. The door can only be opened by the Panopticon supervisor. That's Langston, if he's still around.
Langston. Yeah, I know him. I'll go ask him how to get you out.
Please hurry. My eyes, they can't.
Hey, calm down. Just focus. What's your name?
Focus. Right. My name's Philip, and I think I can hold on for a bit. It's just my eyes. My eyes hurt so much.
Just hang on, Philip.
Speak to Langston. Wait, let's go and talk to Langston then, Sari. Do that for a minute. Oh, he's in here, is he, Langston? He's in here? Where? Speak to Langston. Alright, I don't know where the sod he is. Oh! Is he down here? He's in the entrance. Him!
No. Why, listen.
There's someone named Philip up in a cell. He's watching a refrigerator and very rapidly losing it.
Philip? Oh shit, I forgot about Fridge. He's been in there for over a day. I totally forgot.
You forgot about him?
There's a lot going on. The hiss, the Benikoff TV. Considering the number of things I'm juggling, ma'am, I think it's...
Listen, it's fine. We just need to get him out of there. He said you'd be able to open the cell door?
Yeah, I can unlock it on my terminal. There. Done. Door open. But Philip can't just leave. The fridge is behaving erratically. Ocular contact is the only thing that seems to placate it. If we don't have someone in there watching it 24/7, people will die.
I'll figure something out. I'm pretty good with these things.
Being pretty good with altered items isn't standard bureau procedure, ma'am.
He doesn't know us very well.
No, he does not. Right.
I'll see you later, Langston.
I'll be here, like always.
Right, let's get back up to him then, Sari, guys. So, am I coming, madman? Am I coming? Let's hold out a little bit longer. Am I coming? Oh god, that was a bit scary there. It worked out, so it's fine. It worked out, so it's all worth it. Have I? 4th floor. Wow. Alright. I'm stuck in. Balls. The hell's that? Oh no. I forgot I haven't got my shotgun on me. Right. Oh. Like that. And he moved. Eat that, and another punch. Another punch. Come on. There we go, good. Go away with RPG. Oh, it's a lot of you now. There's a lot of you. Please go away. Who the hell is still there kicking my ass? we go. Was it this way? I don't know. Thank you. Yeah, it was this way. Good.
Hello? Jesse?
I'm here.
Doing something?
Philip?
Oh my god.
If I look away, it hurts me.
Philip? Oh, what is this?
This sounds like the board, but I can't understand it.
What is that? Oh! Did I do that? I did that by accident, but okay. Dude, it does. Ah! Okay. Think I can work this out. I think. Am I gonna spawn back here again? Good.
Hello? Jesse? The fridge is doing something!
But now, before I go in there, let's just change that back to that one.
Philip?
Let's load up this bad boy.
If I look away, it hurts me.
Now, I don't know where the hell it was.
This sounds like the board, but I can't understand it.
Listen, mate, that is not the board. Oh. Oh, my buddy. Oh. Okay, that wasn't meant to happen, but whatever. Fire! And what the hell is this ugly ass thing? Ooh! Okay. Sorry, but you are ugly. Oh, what are you? Come on. There you go. I was doing so well. I nearly killed it. I had it. It was dying. It was almost there. And then I fell.
Hello?
Okay.
Jesse?
I'm back. I'm coming in.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Just don't look away. No, you're going to.
The fridge is doing something!
Pardon me.
Philip?
Yep, got my guns. Right now, guys. YT then, guys. This time, let's kill this stupid ass French. I don't know what part of it all falls away. I mean, the ground disappeared.
This sounds like the board, but I can't understand it.
Where are you? There you go. Oh my god. There you go. Keep on doing damage to it. Yeah, then destroy it. I'm so confused how the floor vanished. It makes no sodding sense at all. Oh! Wait, is there? Ah, that's how I destroyed it. He put his darn ass ugly hand through the floor. Now it makes a bit more sense. Woo! It's gone again, for God's sake. There you go. Whoop! Eat that one. Eat that one. Fire! The health. Get the health. Get the health. Get the health. I really should upgrade this gun. It's definitely becoming my favourite gun in this game by a mile. There's no big surprise considering just flipping an assault rifle pistol. Ew. Hold that. Avoid that hole now, Chris. Oh, the edge of the edge of the well there, edge of the well there. Hoop. Give me that health there, please. Thank you very much. Die. Did I kill it, or did it kill me? I don't know. Huh? I think I did it.
Philip?
The fridge seems fixed. Did fighting that thing off change something?
Definitely did, yeah. I need to get my gun more powerful. It's called... I think it's called a spin, isn't it? In theory, guys, it's a spin, isn't it? Free explosive. Oh, a grenade launcher. Ooh. Can I hold more than 2 guns? That'd be cool if I could. I have no idea if I can, though. Oh. This way. I believe. Nope, that's the cell. Oh. That's the wrath of my assault rifle. Thanks for dying. Firebreak. Is that a studio name, Firebreak? I think it is.
How'd it go? Where's Philip?
Dead.
Philip's gone. Something happened before I could get him out.
Poor Philip. He never did like fridge duty. But if you're here, then who's watching the fridge?
The fridge is fine now. I took care of it.
You don't just take care of altered items. What did you do?
I took care of
I
it.
touched it and wound up in the astral plane. This thing was in there. It was huge, had one big eye. Wasn't friendly.
We've been getting reports from the astronauts lately about something fitting that description. The astral plane is usually connected to our world through objects of power, not altered items. If this thing is linking itself to altered items, then it's clearly powerful. This may happen again.
Do you think that thing is what got Philip?
Must have been. The Panopticon is a dangerous place. The agents all know the risks. But, since you're some sort of altered item whisperer, I've got a list of others for you to corral. The Hiss are causing containment breaches left, right, and center. Here, start with these. I'll see if there are any others missing while you're gone. My life just got a whole lot easier.
I don't like you.
I'll see you later,
I
Legs.
really don't like him. I'm sorry,
here.
but I don't like him at all. As I know it might be a mean thing to say, but I don't like him. I'm sorry, I just don't like him. Apparently there is a traffic light. Does it where? Which floor? There's 6 floors. Oh, hello. You're dead. I think. You dead? Let's find a traffic light then, shall we? Is that it? No. Is that it? That's a hammer. Let's try floor number 2 then, shall we, guys? Let's try floor number 2. Goodbye to you. This game does not let you get comfortable. You get comfortable, you die. Oh. This is a good thing. It's a hard game. Not all games should be easy. And I do mean that. I got a feeling that could be a... I got a feeling, guys, that could be a... No, that's just a Christmas tree. Right then, that's not it then, is it? Oh, where the sodding sods... Go away. No, baby stroller, nothing there. Where, oh where, oh where? There you go. Nope. Archives? Might as well not be in the archives, have I, mate? Might as well. What's happened to the game here? Oh! Oh! Shotgun? Oh, that looks bad. Oh, this looks bad. Don't think I should be in here. So I'm gonna leave this place. And never come back in here again. Ever. You can't make me. Can you open up, please? Thanks. Let's go to the 3rd floor, which is somewhere over the rainbow. Okay, let's go up there now. Here we go. Right, I need to find a little traffic light. Oh, weird thing to find though, isn't it? A traffic light. I mean, no, it is. It's just a weird thing to find. Nothing there. Surfboards. Nothing there. Something happened here, but that's not what I'm after though. Dead end. Amazing. Can I get in there? I'm gonna guess no. I'm gonna guess no. Yeah, no, there's a thing there, isn't it? Right, let's go on to the 4th floor then, Sally. Hello, you. How you doing? Where is... Don't get comfortable. Oh my god. Come here. Try that again, Nick. Try that again. Okay. Meant for him, but whatever. Oh, you look ugly. That. And that one. And that one. You go away. Come on. Whoa. And he's a sniper. Woo. Sniper had no chance against me with that. Oh, hello there. Now, traffic cone. Light. Tell you what, guys. I'm gonna probably use that a lot, aren't I? So. Ah! That's the fridge. The elevator. How can it be this hard to find one single traffic light? Apparently very. Let's go up again. Damn it, I can't reach the floor. Oh. Number 5. There's 7 floors, 8 floors. How many floors are there? 8 it's 8 floors. So it could be on any of the 8 floors. Lovely. Not there. Not there. No. Nope. The hell was this? Oh. Yeah, I don't want to go in there, do I? I want to go up to the next floor. So... I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to get up there. Obviously a way. I don't know how to do that. Maybe that'll work. Maybe. Maybe if I pile some stuff up. No, I want the big stuff. I might need to look it up, guys. Where the hell is the traffic light? The hand there. And a lantern. Very weird things to try and find. It's not in the... It's not in here, is it? Wherever this leads me to. Could be. Twisted place. No, it's not in it. It's not in the twisted place. And I know that. Maybe I missed it. Nope. Nope, there's a snowboard, surfboard. It has nothing in it whatsoever. It has nothing in it. That's not even open. Oh, I'm going to need to look this up, I think. I have no sodding idea. It's annoying. But that's going to be it for today. So, hope you all have been nice, guys. Have enjoyed. If you all have, please remember to hit that like button. If you ever, guys, want me to play a game, please tell me down in the comments down below. On your way out, guys, please also remember to smash that subscribe button. And as always, until next time, peace.